Gender stereotyping in language. Linguistic framing plays a crucial role in reinforcing gender stereotyping by shaping the way we perceive and articulate gender roles through language. Derivationally related words such as leader, leadership, and leading tend to associate authority and decision making with masculinity, reinforcing the stereotype that men are more suited for leadership roles. Similarly, terms like boss, bossy, and bossiness reflect the gendered expectations of leadership. While boss might be neutral, bossy is often negatively applied to women, portraying them as overly controlling, while bossiness is deemed undesirable when associated with women. This contrasts the social acceptance of male assertiveness with a criticism of female assertiveness, reinforcing traditional gender norms. Additionally, words like wise, wisdom, and wisely further support the stereotype of male authority, positioning wisdom as a predominantly male trait, often linked to older men and associated with rationality and leadership. Marginalizing women roles in these domains. Similarly, terms like hero, heroic, and heroism are traditionally associated with male qualities such as bravery and leadership, reinforcing the idea that these traits belong to men. In contrast, words like masculine embody strength and emotional restraint, qualities seen as essential to leadership, while feminine implies gentleness and nurturing, reinforcing passive rules for women. However, linguistic framing can also serve as a tool for challenging and dismantling gender stereotypes by consciously altering the language we use to describe rules, behaviors, and attributes. We can help normalize the idea leadership, wisdom, and strength are not inherently tied to gender. For example, in leadership roles can reduce the negative connotations traditionally attached to women in positions of power. Similarly, promoting gender neutral terms like leader instead of gendered terms like chairman and businessman can break down stereotypes that associate leadership with masculinity by highlighting the equal roles of men and women in caregiving, leadership, and intellectual pursuits. We can refrain words like mother and father as equally capable of authority and caregiving. By making conscious changes in how we speak about gender rules, we can create a more inclusive, equitable language that challenges traditional stereotypes and promotes a more balanced view of both men and women in all aspects of life.